Welcome to Fresh Faces. In today's beauty segment, I'm here to show a face pack for removing wrinkles and brightening your skin tone. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. To make this face pack, take 1 spoon of chickpeas and add a cup of water, and you have to leave it overnight. Now after that, we have to boil this chickpea until it turns soft. Now we have to make a fine paste by adding it in a blender. Now you can see that I have made this chickpea into fine paste. You can refrigerate this paste for about 10 days and you can use whenever required. To make this face pack, take a bowl. I have added 2 spoons of curd to this bowl. So to this curd, I am going to add chickpea paste. Now you can see that this mixture has turned into fine paste. So instead of curd, you can also use multani mitti. Now you have to apply this pack on your face and neck, and you have to leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can just wash it off. You can see an instant glow on your face immediately after washing. For effective result, you have to use this pack twice in a week. Now, let me tell the benefits of this chickpea face pack. This chickpea face pack eliminates fine lines and dark spots. This face mask helps to tighten the skin cells. This pack is very much effective for boosting collagen on your skin, which is very much necessary for improving the complexion of your skin. It also helps to prevent sagging skin. This face pack moreover provides an instant skin glow to your face also. So please do try to use this pack at least twice in a week to see an effective result on your skin tone. So instead of going behind all the chemical products, please do try out this simple effective face mask with all the ingredients available in your home. So that's all for today's video, dears. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.